Mix it in.
Uh-oh.
Hi everyone, my name is Irid.
And I'm Lisa. Today we have 2 fun, messy and sensory play activities which your kid will enjoy.
In a large tray, add 3 cups of sand. Slowly add shaving cream and get your child to mix the sand and shaving cream together using their hands. You can keep adding shaving cream until you get the consistency you would like. And there you have it, sand foam. Sand foam is great for sensory exploration as well as encouraging imaginative play, especially when you add dinosaurs, shells, toy cars, and other small toys. The best thing is that all you need is some sand and shaving cream. Now we're going to show you how to make puffy paint using shaving cream, liquid glue, and food coloring. In a bowl, mix the shaving cream and the liquid glue, making sure you have equal amounts of both. Add your food coloring, and there is your puffy paint. If you want several colors, place your shaving cream and clear glue mixture in a bowl or cup depending on how many colors you want, and add the different food coloring. We cannot wait to see your puffy pictures.
What are you drawing?
I
Can you
like
see
that.
there? Look. Then
There, right there. Actually, you're scary.
Bye-bye.